that the worst job I gave you?
What?
Was cleaning the barn?
I think the sheep with the digging of the
Hooves?
Yeah, no, not the hooves, the manure.
Oh, the manure?
Yeah, I think that's probably about the hardest of them. Yeah.
And the stinkiest?
I can't smell.
Oh yeah. Thank goodness. I'm thankful for you. I'm out here today with Orion.
Hi.
And we're going to be working on this fence. What are you doing right now, Orion?
Digging a hole for the post for the fence.
And we went and we picked up some fencing materials that were used from some farmer out in the middle of nowhere, and I'll put a little clip of that in here too. So we are out in the middle of nowhere picking up some old fence boards and posts to make the repairs on our fence. And as you can see, this man sits on like hundreds of acres. It's just awesome.
No joke, I just growed a beard. In real life, no joke, I growed a beard. Hey guys, it's Reese here again.
Look at all those turtles from our pond. Good morning. I'm a bit of a mess today. I've been running around doing errands and taking care of picking up trash in the yard and all that other kind of stuff. But today I have Orion coming out. He's going to be working on the fence and getting it in order. And I think he's also going to go down and cut the path down to the cabin in the cave so that I can get down there and do some work. I want to get that project finished, and I haven't been able to because it's been so rainy. And we got all this lumber for $150. That's 10 of those posts and 40 of these fence boards. So pretty good price. The weeds have just grown up like crazy. I don't like going down into the woods with a bunch of brush around me because I'm afraid of snakes and I don't like ticks. The other thing that we're going to be doing today is that we're going to be putting a tarp on that cabin. So that's what you'll see us do today. One little project after another. But just stay with me and follow along. Thank you. So that's what we're going to be working on today, and I'm just going to let Orion do his thing.
Have they seen your mess after?
Yeah, they saw the mess.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll put a clip of why he's doing this in here as well. Okay. So what you're looking at here is the down power pole from an individual that had hit a deer, ran into our fence around our pasture, went clear across the pasture and exited our fence on the other side of the pasture. And you can see the power pole is down, and yeah, so we needed to get our fence fixed, and Orion's out here fixing the pasture fence.
The ground's really sticky.
Yeah. A lot of clay.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of clay. Good clay.
We got a ton of it. These posts may not be that tall. I don't know.
Which ones?
Those posts.
Oh, I measured them.
They're the same height?
They're 78 inches, and these are 52 high.
Oh, okay.
Or about 2 more inches.
how's it going, Orion?
And 80 inches is what I got.
Yeah. It's farm fence paint. Are you glad it's not extremely hot?
Yes. It's not that humid either.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
I gotta run in and check on these dogs, see what they're up to. Who knows? Oh, look at my babies. Looks like they're sleeping. Hey, Ozzy. So he has this side done. He's going over to dig the holes for the other side. And he'll probably have to come back tomorrow. But that's okay. See buzzards up there flying around. Don't know what's dead. Do you like digging fence posts?
It's been worse.
Like cleaning the barn?
That was.
Is that the worst job I gave you?
What?
Was cleaning the barn?
I think the sheep with the digging of the
Hooves?
Yeah, no, not the hooves, the manure.
Oh, the manure?
Yeah, I think that's probably about the hardest.
And the stinkiest?
I can't smell.
Oh yeah. Thank goodness. I'm thankful for you.
We got two posts back there.
Awesome. Hey, Ryan, why did the fence win an award?
I don't know.
Because it was an outstanding. That's my dumb joke for the day. It was outstanding. Anyway, I'm going to end my video there. We'll pick you up tomorrow.
All right. I'm surprised your sheep don't try to get out of there.
It's electric.
Oh really?
Yeah, that's all electric.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. They get zapped if they touch it.
Awesome.
Those are the two little goats.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, they'll get zapped. I'll come up with a joke for that too. Good morning. This is day 2 of the fence work. I have Orion back out here, and he is working on that far section way in the corner of our pasture. And then he's going to be working out front. He's going to be fixing some of the front, our boards on the front of our fence that are up against the house or by the house, because they're just old and they need to be replaced. After this is done, we're going to be doing that tarp over there. Well, I don't know if you can see the tarp on the there. So let me get out there and see what he's got done.
Those look pretty good.
Yeah, they look good. But Orion, I really don't gate it. Another dumb joke. I'm on the fence of that one. Oh.
It took me a second. I was like, wait. Then I realized.
And you really didn't gate it.
Yeah.
You really didn't gate my joke.
Really didn't.
So I'm going to let Orion do his thing here and leave him alone because I know I'm a nuisance. Anyway, and then I'll pick him back up when he's out front of the house working on the fence out front. So he has that all finished off. Now he's going to be doing the work on the front of the fence over by the house. So all we have to do now is get the electric fence back up, the lines strung. A lot of the insulators got smashed and ruined, and so we have to get that up and get it connected back to this section. Then we can let the sheep out. So while Orion's working on the fence, I'm going to be doing some weed eating in this little section between the garage and the house. So I'm just going to put you up on the camera and let you watch. Why we like to watch people work? I'm just curious, but we do.
Screws and these yellow things here.
Oh, are they screws or are they nails?
They might be nails. They kind of look like screws when I kind of looked on the other side of it, but then when I looked exactly, it looks like a
Nail.
It looks like a screw on that side, and on this side it looks like a nail. See how it's got the rivet?
So Ryan's up there just going to town on this tarp. Saves me from getting up there. Last time I got up there, I was a little nervous. That one right there.
Hornet, wasp.
I see him.
Stung me twice.
There must be a nest underneath there. Don't you fall off that roof. He stung you?
Yeah, you got a big tongue right down the head.
Oh, wow. Ryan worked hard today, so we just wanted to tell you this is where we're ending at. We'll have to finish the tarp and stop the run, but I appreciate all your hard work, Orion, and thanks for being on the video.
What do you smell on this?